look ahead. All right to go?
Yep.
1, 2, 3, and go fast.
Woohoo! All right. Wow. This is amazing.
Woohoo! All right. Woo! It is the best position. Yes, the
Yeah.
best. Cause you don't
Yeah.
show this. Woohoo! Picture.
Oh man.
Woohoo! Woo!
It's
Take
so
a control.
beautiful.
Put your hand here. It's another hand here. Perfect. You are in the control. Woohoo! I lose my job. Here's a new pilot, so you sleep when you fly, okay?
Yep. You sleep. I'll fly.
Woohoo! Woo! There is Gaga Hawk. Look the airplane.
Wow. This is so beautiful.
There is Rocinha, the biggest favela, and the Twin Brothers Mountain.
Okay.
The Sugar Loft.
Yeah, I went there yesterday. That was cool.
Woohoo! Me and you, cross your arm like this. Cross, like this. Look at picture there. Me and you. Yeah. I have a 360 to take good pictures. Woohoo! Woo! All right. Put your hand on my shoulder again, please. Perfect. Look for another camera. You can remove your mask, okay? Take a picture there. Yeah! Woo! We have you one camera more. There. There we go. Woohoo! Woo! Picture. Yeah. Woohoo! Woo!
It's nice houses.
Yeah, the rich guys living here.
Yeah.
Woohoo! Woo! Yeah! Picture there. Woohoo! Woohoo! Look at the Corcovado there. Yeehaw! Whoa! Woo! So, when you go to the landing, you should be running like
Okay.
the takeoff.
Yep.
And they don't grab the glider, okay?
Okay.
Put your hand on my shoulder, please. Shoulder. Hold me here. Yes. Are you prepare your legs, right? Stand up the chest. Good. Relax. Just gonna say go, okay?
Okay.
Woo! Wait. Running together now.
Woohoo!
Woo! Perfect.
That was amazing.
Woohoo!
Woo!